This looks like a nice spot. iPhones, man, they've come a long way. I remember I had one of the first like iPhone 3Gs or whatever they were, and I played the absolute shit out of Angry Birds. The first time I played Angry Birds, I was sat in the toilet and I played it for so long that when I stood up, I legitimately fell over. My legs had gone like totally dead. Sat there for like 3 hours. Good times. Good times. Anyway, we're not here to talk about that. Today we're here to talk about 3 super easy ways that you can level up your iPhone photography in 2022. Okay, so first and foremost, let's talk about what I see probably the most on like Facebook, Instagram and all that sort of stuff. It's super simple, but if you don't already do this, then you'll notice an instant difference, and that is to, for God's sake, please get all that gross stuff off the lens. Phones get put through a lot. I mean, they live in your pocket, you take them out of your pocket, whatever's living in your pocket is now living on your camera lens. You put it to your ear, you're rubbing your fingers all over it. If you just whip this out of your pocket and you just start taking photos, if you've ever seen like that sort of cloudy look over your photo, and then if you point it at a light, there's like these horizontal lines and stuff, that is 9 times out of 10 just going to be because the lens is dirty. So just give it a rub. So the next thing you're going to want to do your iPhone to instantly upgrade your photography in 2022 is you're going to want to open the settings and you're going to want to turn on the grid. Now the purpose of doing this is that if you want to put something right in the middle of your photo, you can use this grid as reference and you know that it is exactly in the center. And also if you want to get kind of fancy, then you could start looking at the rule of thirds. We're not going to cover that in this video, but the rule of thirds is very good too. Nice. So another really easy way that you can level up your iPhone photos is to get low. Apple bottom jean boots with the fur. By getting low, what you're doing is you're kind of showing a slightly different perspective from what you would see from eye level, so it already looks a little bit more unique. And what's really cool about this is it gives you option to layer up your photo, which can make it much more dynamic. Rather than just having a photo of a floating lighthouse, we now have a photo of a lighthouse, and you can see the sand and the water and all the shells in front of it. You get a bit more of an idea of location. So there we have it, 3 simple ways that you can level up your iPhone photography in 2022. If you're still here, my name is Rob, I'm a photographer and videographer. I run my own photo video business, and when I'm not doing that, I make videos like these. So if you enjoyed it, then make sure you like it and consider subscribing to the channel. Unless you've got an Android phone, in which case you can f off. I'm just kidding, you can stay as well. The Google Pixels are dope, but if you've got a Samsung,